You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this type of rock. We'll be looking at how to say more vocabulary and names too many people mispronounce, so stay tuned to the channel to learn more. Let's find out. Break down how it is said. Yes, the G is confusing, but it's silent. Nice is how you want to say it. Let's have a look at an example of sentence using this word. The rocks in this soil are composed of gneiss and basalt. Gneiss is how you essentially say this word. It's easy, and now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support, it helps me a lot. Thank you. And more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.